At Ferespe, success is built on consistency, and preventive maintenance is a key part of that foundation. Paulo Faria plays a crucial role by strictly following the preventive maintenance plan approved by management. His work ensures that every piece of equipment remains reliable and ready to perform at any moment. Because of this disciplined approach, production is never interrupted. Machines are always available, and productivity remains stable and efficient. In this case, we see another example of a silent but essential task: checking and correcting the battery levels of a stacker. This equipment transports sand molds after they are closed, moving them safely to storage where they wait to be poured. It may seem like a small detail, but without preventive care, it could lead to serious failures and significant costs for Ferespe. This is the kind of work that often goes unnoticed, yet makes all the difference.